Pong-Pong, the silent killer of the tropics. Deep in the mangroves and coastal swamps of the tropics grows a tree with many names: Pong-Pong, sea mango, bintaro, and one deadly secret. Hidden inside its beautiful fruit is a poison so powerful it's been used to end lives quietly, quickly, and sometimes on purpose. This is the story of Cerbera Manghas, how it grows, how it kills, and why you should never go near one. The Pong-Pong tree is native to Southeast Asia, including the Philippines, as well as the Pacific Islands and northern Australia. It thrives in wet, salty environments, the kind of places you'd expect mangroves and marshes, not murderers. It's an evergreen, reaching up to 12 meters tall. The leaves are glossy and dark, arranged in thick clusters near the tips of the branches. The flowers are small and funnel-shaped, white with a soft pink throat, and they smell deceptively pleasant. Then comes the fruit. It's roughly the size of a plum or mango, smooth-skinned and bright green when young, turning red as it ripens. Inside, a single hard seed sits like a bullet in the chamber. That seed is the killer. At the heart of this seed is a potent cardiac toxin called Cerberin. Just the name sounds like death. Cerberin is a glycoside that attacks your heart by blocking the sodium-potassium pump in your cells. That pump is essential for keeping your heartbeat regular. Block it and the rhythm falters. First a flutter, then a stop. The symptoms of poisoning usually begin within 30 minutes to 3 hours. The first signs feel like food poisoning: nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and abdominal pain. But then the heart begins to misfire, the pulse slows, the victim may feel weak, disoriented. In severe cases, there's numbness or tingling in the arms, face, or legs. As Cerberin spreads, it causes bradycardia, an abnormally slow heart rate, and a variety of dangerous arrhythmias. Heart blocks follow, blood pressure drops, breathing becomes labored, then comes cardiac arrest. If medical help isn't reached in time, and by time we mean within 3 to 6 hours, the result is often fatal. There is no known antidote for Cerberin. In a hospital, doctors can attempt to stabilize the patient with IV fluids, heart monitoring, and sometimes a temporary pacemaker. Activated charcoal may help if given early. Some cases have used digoxin antidote fragments, but success is limited and supply is rare, especially in rural areas. In one study, over a third of patients needed emergency cardiac pacing. Many still died. And all this from a single seed. Half a seed can be fatal. In some documented poisonings, just licking the seed was enough to cause illness. Thankfully, casual skin contact doesn't usually result in poisoning, but the sap and crushed seed are dangerous. So don't even think about using it for traditional remedies or pest control, as has sometimes been done in the past. Historically, the Pong-Pong tree, or its close cousin, Cerbera odolum, was used in ritual executions and suicides. In Madagascar, a twisted trial by poison known as the Tangena ordeal forced the accused to swallow seeds from this tree. Survival meant innocence, death meant guilt. The logic, of course, was completely backwards. In the Philippines, the tree is known in some provinces as Buta-buta, with local folklore warning children never to eat the red fruit, no matter how juicy it looks. Some stories claim it was once used to poison fish or drive out evil spirits. In truth, it just kills, quietly, with no smell, no taste, no warning. So why is this tree still growing in public parks and schoolyards in some parts of Asia? Possibly because of its beauty, possibly because people don't know. But now you do. The Pong-Pong tree is not a plant to be admired, it's one to be avoided. Admire it from a distance, but never forget, nature hides its most dangerous secrets behind the prettiest flowers. If you found this fascinating, dark, or downright terrifying, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another poisonous tale from the wild world of plants. And share this video with someone who lives near the sea. It might just save a life. Stay curious, stay cautious, And never ever eat the red fruit.